What's on YouTube? We finna change the front doors into these Ds18s right here. They just came in. We finna switch them up. So these the red tips. So we finna see what they finna do. See how good they is. You know what I'm saying? So and that, probably some stickers. There go that bad boy right there. Hold on. That was nice. Yeah. I've been waiting for these for so long. We finna get them in here though. These boys go right here. Don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? It's dirty. But so this is what it is right here. This how much power it come out, how many watts. I ain't get an amp yet, but that's gonna be, after this video, it's gonna be the back doors and then applying the amps to the radio. So just be ready for that. So yeah, I ordered these off of Amazon for, all you gotta do is search in 6x9 to 6.5 adapters for Ford F-150, your year. This is 15 through, I think, 20. But yeah, I go put these right up in there. And then you just line it up. So that's what we finna do. But right now, we finna take the door pin off. I'm finna show y'all how to do that. So right now, you gotta get you one of these. Whenever you finna do these doors, don't start from this side, cause that's how you put it in. So it's like a little clip that slide in, then you push it in. So you're supposed to start on this side. Try to. So hold on. You might gotta get a screwdriver, but I ain't got one right now. I got this motherfucker. So hold on. Gotta try to get in there. Oh, there you go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Then just work your way now. Oh. That's what I was talking about right here. So like, slide in first, then everything else go back in. But these are the clips right here that you gotta hit. But it ain't too hard to take off. You just gotta take them off. But then we gotta take this off right here. It shouldn't be that difficult. Yeah, simple shit. It's just 2 tabs. And now, I think it's 7. All right, now we got 8 7mm bolts right here. So 2 right here. These two right here, and 2 at the bottom. We finna go ahead and get them out of the way. Alright, now we got everything, all the screws out. You just take this door pin off. You just grab on this right here. Just yank it. But not too hard. You don't need to yank it too hard. And then so I couldn't even see it, but it's a screw right here, 7mm. Hold on. That's what we're trying to hide. Alright, I got the door pin off. It was dusty down here, so I had to wipe it down, but I'm definitely gonna have to replace this sooner or later. But for right now, I think I got the stuff for it too. But yeah, bump all that. What we got right here, so we got a little tab right here. All you do it, press it down, give it a little wiggle, and it'll come out. And pretty sure these 7mm, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the way too.
I use these too, so. I didn't want to get the drill, so I'm just doing it like this.
Like I said in the other video, I'm just getting started with this YouTube stuff. Especially with this truck stuff. Well, I'm not new to the truck stuff, but the video quality go get better. We're gonna have better videos. My face go be shown. I'm just seeing what it's gonna be like. But this is what we got. It's still good. I ain't have no problem with it, but you know, I need my music loud, but a little bit louder than this. But 25 watt, 4 amp, 4 ohm. It sounds good for a 25 watt, but yeah, so this is what I'm replacing it with. I was kind of debating on what to get, Ds18s or Apocalypse, but or Orion, but I just went with Ds18s just to get it out of the way. And just because everybody else said it was just loud and clear, I want to test it out my own self. So yeah, we finna get this up. Finna place it in this, screw it down, and mount it back to, well, we gotta connect it with wires first, but yeah, that's what we finna get into. It's gonna be like this. Alright, I'm back. It done got dark, but yeah, this is what I came up with. I had drilled 1/2 inch hole right here, put them up in here. I would go cut these wires off, but I'm just trying to rush it now. So yeah, this is what I came up with. So whenever I put it up against the door, this won't be cramped up underneath here. So I'm finna get these speakers put up in here and put on into the door, and then I'll be back later. Alright, we got that thing in there. This is how it look. This thing clean. I got it in nice. But so y'all let me know how I did. And like I said, the videos gonna be better and the quality gonna be better the further we go. Just hit that like button and subscribe. And I'm gonna give y'all a little test how it sound in a minute.